What if an AI model could generate a new hypothesis about cancer, one that human scientists hadn't seen, and then have that idea validated in living cells? This sounds like science fiction, but in October 2025, Google researchers announced exactly that. Today, we'll walk through how AI is becoming a collaborator, not just a tool, in cancer research. This is the real story of how machine learning met cellular biology and what that might mean for the future of medicine. Google and its research branches, like DeepMind and Google Research, have spent years building AI for health, biology, and medicine. One early success, an AI that outperformed radiologists in reading mammograms, detecting breast cancer more accurately in large-scale studies. Another breakthrough came with Deep Somatic, a model identifying complex genetic variants in cancer cells, helping guide precision oncology. And AlphaGenome, built to probe non-coding DNA regions, helps scientists understand mutations linked to cancers. These laid the groundwork. Google's AI was no longer just pattern recognition, it was learning to think biologically. In October 2025, Google unveiled the Cell-2 sentence, Scale 27V, part of the Gemma family of OpenAI models. Its goal, to understand the language of individual cells, how genes, proteins, and signaling networks talk to one another. This AI analyzed massive genomic datasets and identified a new biological pathway that no human researcher had spotted. It predicted that combining the drug sulmidasertib with low-dose interferon could activate immune cells to attack cold tumors, the ones that usually hide from the immune system. Then came the real test. Researchers tried the AI's idea in living human cells, and it worked. A machine had proposed a new cancer therapy hypothesis, and it passed a biological experiment. This is a scientific milestone, proof that AI can move from recognition to reasoning. But even breakthroughs come with caution. The findings are preclinical. They need years of testing before reaching patients. We also face questions of interpretability and trust. Why did the AI suggest this pathway? AI models depend on their training data, which can be incomplete or biased. And privacy matters. Genetic data must be handled with care, consent, and fairness. The road from a promising cell experiment to a real therapy is long and uncertain. Still, the implications are extraordinary. AI could speed up drug discovery, suggesting promising combinations before lab work begins. It could simulate how a patient's tumor responds to treatment, enabling truly personalized medicine. With open models like Gemma, researchers around the world can collaborate and build upon Google's work. And beyond cancer, these same tools could unlock therapies for neurological and autoimmune diseases too. We're entering an era where machines are no longer just tools, they're creative partners in science. The AI-driven biology revolution is just beginning. If you're a scientist, developer, or cancer researcher, the doors are opening. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and tell me in the comments what medical frontier you want me to explore next.